Hey everyone, and welcome back to Kidzee. Today we're gonna learn about the first aid kit. Whether you're at home, on the road, or out in the great outdoors, having the right items at your fingertips can make all the difference in an emergency. Now, let's look into some of the common items you should have in your first aid box. First is adhesive bandages. Adhesive bandages are essential for covering small cuts and abrasions, aiding in faster healing. Versatile in size, they provide a secure fit to keep out contaminants and prevent infection. Next is sterile gauze pads. Foundational to wound care, sterile gauze pads offer a clean surface for dressing injuries. Perfect for cleaning wounds and applying antiseptic. These pads reduce the risk of infection. Now let's learn about adhesive tapes. Indispensable for securing bandages and dressings, adhesive tape provides stability in various situations. Its versatility makes it suitable for different applications, ensuring a reliable hold. Next is antiseptic wipes. Convenient and efficient antiseptic wipes are crucial for cleaning wounds and preventing infection. Compact and easy to use, they maintain hygiene in emergency situations. Dry tweezers are the next item in your box, a crucial tool for removes with splinters or debris. Tweezers provide a steady grip for precise extraction, compact and easy to sterilize. They're handy for addressing minor injuries. Scissors are the next magical instrument, essential for cutting bandages, gauze, and clothing in emergencies. A good pair of scissors ensures quick and precise cutting. Look for safety rounded tips for added precaution. Next on our list is disposable gloves, a must for protecting both caregiver and patient. Disposable gloves create a barrier against infection. Latex or nitrile options ensure safe and hygienic first aid administration. How can we forget about instant cold compress? Valuable for reducing swelling and alleviating pain in injuries like sprains or strains. An instant cold compress offers quick relief. Activated by a simple squeeze, it provides immediate cold therapy. A thermometer is an essential tool for monitoring body temperature. A digital thermometer provides quick and accurate readings. Regular calibration ensures reliable temperature measurements in emergencies. Pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen are crucial for providing relief from headaches, fevers, or minor aches and pains. Pain relievers should be in your kit for prompt response to discomfort. Cover tape and allergic reactions. Antihistamines that might help mitigate symptoms like itching and swelling. Include them if there are known allergies to insects, foods, or other allergens. Soothing and protective burn ointment or gel aids in the healing process of minor burns. These topicals create a protective barrier, reducing pain and preventing infection. Simple yet effective safety pins, secure bandages, slings, or clothing in emergencies. Their versatility proves useful for quick fixes and improvisations. Careful for flushing out contaminants from the eyes. Sterile eye wash solution provides immediate relief in case of eye injuries, included for effective irrigation in emergencies. A must-have for maintaining hand hygiene. Hand sanitizer is crucial when soap and water are unavailable. I'll keep a travel-sized bottle in your first aid kit for on-the-go situations. That's all for today, kids. Stay safe, be prepared, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Take care.